did a high school history class.
This is a place in Boston where they have very old roads because horses and wagons used to be here, and the houses are also very old too. Look. That's the ground, and then there's a house right there.
You won't get the doors open, y'all just kind of hang by the back.
Owen?
Come here.
It looks pretty cool. You have flowers and walking down here. The house is over there too. Flowers. And the ground's very crickly. There's some cars that people that live here, they park their cars here, go to their house. And there's some little food places down there which we're gonna go see them. Yeah. Then you see a food spot down there. I think you guys can see it. Maybe a bit too sunny. There's a food spot down there, and that's where people like to get their food in this type of neighborhood. Okay, now this is a food place over here. Right there actually is a food place. See? We'll just run a bit closer. Look, now we're in the section where people like to get their food. We're at a spot. It looks pretty cool, right? Look at that.